to my channel. I'm in love cakes and pastries, and my name is Lovett. Today I'll be talking about the very first tools you should have as a beginner and as a baker. One is this rolling pin. This rolling pin helps you to flatten your dough, flatten your fondant. That's the work of this. We also have the candle one, but this one is the wooden one. You might not have money for that one, but you can go for this. Have your spatula. This one, you use it to cream your cake, your sugar, and butter. If you don't have money to invest in hand mixer yet. Another one is this. This one is your brush. You can use it to egg wash on your meat pile. You can still use it to clean out dust on your fondant. Then this one is called palette knife. You use it to smoothen your buttercream. Another one is this scraper. This one comes in different sizes. You have this, and you also have the smaller one. I prefer using this one because it helps me. It's flexible more than this one. Then the smoothener to smoothen your fondant and for sharp edge. Then measuring cup, measuring spoon. This measuring spoon helps you to take the measurements of whatever you are baking. Then this one is baking pan. You already know what it is. Then this to whisk your egg. This one is donut cutter. Use it to cut your donuts if you can't cut manually. Then this cake pump. When I started my business early, I first of all invested in this one before I got to know that there's bag for it. This one, you just feed your buttercream inside this, then put this one inside. Press it like this. I can't find this thing because it has been a long time I stopped using it. You put your this thing here, your tips here. That's your piping tips. Put it here. Use this one and knot it together. Then you carry it like this, like gun. Put it like this. That's the way it works. And this one too. This one is, you already know what this thing is used for, to sieve. This one, this is your turntable. It helps you decorate. Another one is this one. It works hand in hand with this one. This one is cheap than the other one. You can just invest in this one for now. This is a must-have if you want to bake a nice cake. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use this. How to use this to pipe some flowers to decorate the up of your cake. And that is it. So thank you for joining me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.